Today I will be installing some rain guards on my 2018 GTI. All right, let's open this up. So this is what we're working with here. These installation guide. Alright, so this, I guess you stick this in the bottom first and then this. Alright, the front's on. This sits outside the window, and then it's on there pretty good. Alright, so this one actually has adhesive. Peel that off. We'll kind of bend it. Let's try to seat the corners. Work it up there. All right, that's one side done. Now let's do the other. All right, we got both sides done. I think they look pretty good on this car, actually. And of course, the functionality is nice when you live in upstate New York and it rains all the time.